How is champagne made? Different styles and classifications. For sparkling wine to be called champagne, it must be produced in the Champagne region of northeast France. It's made mainly from three grape varieties: Pinot Noir, Pinot Meunier and Chardonnay. Each of them gives a champagne specific taste and character. Red grape Pinot Noir, it's got a complexity of body, structure and aroma. Another red grape Pinot Meunier, it's got fruitiness and floral aromas. And finally, white grape Chardonnay, it's got this freshness, delicacy and elegance. Champagne styles and classifications. Once in a couple of years, champagne vineyards experience particularly great grape year. A non-vintage champagne, it's containing blend of wines from more than 1 year. It's rested in the bottle for more than 3 months. It's more common, although to keep a consistency, it contains certain percentage of from a great grape year. On the other hand, vintage champagne, it's containing blend of wines from only a single year, rested in the bottle for more than 3 years. It's got a great complexity and more body. So another style, Blanc de Blancs, it's produced exclusively from Chardonnay white grape variety. On the other hand, Blanc de Noirs, produced exclusively from red grape varieties. It's either Pinot Noir or Pinot Meunier or blend of these two. Special and Prestige Cuvée, it's the highest quality blend of wines from the specific locations. Rosé Champagne, it's a blend of still red and sparkling white wine. Level of sweetness. Champagne styles are categorized and labeled on the level of sweetness, which may refer to amount of sugar in the final product. How is champagne made? Firstly, grapes are harvested and gently pressed before fermentation process can begin, usually in the stainless steel. Different wines are then blended and prematurely bottled. Then small amount of wine, yeast and sugar is added. Bottle is then sealed and laid to rest in the horizontal position. When the yeast starts acting on a sugar, that's where the second fermentation starts. This fermentation produces carbon dioxide, which dissolves in the wine. Fermentation also leaves sediment of dead yeast cells, so by altering, neck of the bottle gets frozen and removed with the sediment. Level is then topped up with a mixture of wine and sugar, and final cork is placed. Champagne is good for any occasion, but works very well as an aperitif or mixed in cocktails. Traditionally served in a flute or a coupe glass, but trend is slowly turning to small wine glasses.